A reminder to love and care for Mother Nature. Our planet is home to many living creatures, and it is our responsibility to take care of them. We can start by reducing waste, conserving energy, and choosing sustainable products. By keeping our environment clean and healthy, we help ensure the well-being of ourselves and future generations. Let's show our appreciation for Mother Nature by making small changes in our daily lives. Together, we can make a difference. Thank you for watching, and let's continue to spread love and care for our